Hi guys, welcome back. Okay, so I headed down to Walmart even though I felt like, you know, all anxious and everything. I don't know why I get like that all the time. Someone pulled up beside me so you can probably hear the car. Yeah, let's get into Walmart and do some shopping. Okay guys, so I remember when I used to buy this brand of foundation at the drugstore. I believe this was my color, $3.40. It was this one, I remember. And it's actually really affordable. It's only $10.96. I felt like this actually gave good coverage. They also have the powder. I'm not really like a powder person these days, but I did put some of this over my foundation. But yeah, Fit Me is really affordable and it actually works good. Like I've tried it and I liked it, and for the price, you guys, so it's like really loud in here, so I hope you guys can actually hear me. But I was trying to show you guys the Fit Me foundation. So they have like this one that I use, and they also have a few blushes that are $8.96, so that's actually pretty good. So they have like different range of colors. I see they have, I guess they're all numbered. No, this is 15 too. Oh, the number, so this one is buff. And you can see the color here. These are $8.96 guys. So this is buff. Is this close again? And they also have this purple shade. I never tried the blushes, but because I've tried the foundation, I feel like it would be good. If you guys tried it, let me know in the comments down below there, because I never tried their blushes and I kind of was looking for a blush today, but I think I want to get more of like a cream blush. I feel like I'm more into cream blushes. They also have these sticks. Looks like foundation sticks. They have this toffee one and it's like a two-tone. You see in the middle it has like a more lighter tone there. Whenever I get like a two-tone thing, I'm not really sure how to use it, you know? So what is this? This is a foundation, and it also has like a little brush on the top here. I guess you can use that to like smudge it out. And this is, what brand is this? Maybelline. These are interesting. I've never seen these, and these are $12.96. So that's not bad either. But I'm gonna walk around and look at other makeup that they have here. They also have it in the concealer. These are $12.96, and it has like a little sponge there on it as well. They showed you these were $12.96. These ones here, and then those were $10.96, and then these ones were $8.96. So they have some more foundation down here. They have BB Skin for $12.96, and they have different numbers for the shade that it's in. I guess you have to follow these pictures. See, that's not good enough for me, but I think if you know your color, then you're good. I just feel like maybe some stores might have a sample, but look, it goes up to shade 130 and it starts at 100, which is light. It has medium, light, medium. See, I wouldn't know, so this would be stressful for me. But it's here. We have some more concealers here for $15.96. It says it's Super Stay. I need a concealer today, so I'll probably end up with one of these. So I see they have this Maybelline new palette. I really like this. I love the shades that are in here. Like, this is something that I would travel with for sure. There's only one left, so it must be really good. It should be $14.96. The thing is, I have a lot of palettes. My sister-in-law gave me a lot. She has like the subscription and she shares with me, so it's just not my go-to as the first thing that I would buy today. But I really like this. If I didn't have all of those, I would buy this. The lipstick section is pretty scanty, guys. I feel like there was a sale I didn't know about, or what? Are we running out of makeup at Walmart? What's going on? I only see a few colors on here, right? There's barely any lipstick. Ah! What? What did I miss? I see they have all this CoverGirl is this foundation? This is foundation, and then they also have concealer, and these are affordable prices here too, $11.97. And I like the range. I mean, a little more, but it's pretty good. And they have foundation here for $13.97. Let me get somewhere around there. My color changes up so much. I'm about to be a new color in September, like it's crazy. So I always have to be mixing stuff. But I'm liking the pricing. The concealer is very affordable. I remember I would be into this stuff back in the day. I can't deal. Like, this stuff just doesn't work for me. Yeah, they have some CoverGirl coverage here. Foundation. $10.97. I think the other set I showed you had more of a range, or maybe it's the way that they put it on the shelf. But I feel like I could find something of my skin tone here. I really don't know what to buy. The concealer. I thought I'd find e.l.f., but maybe it's on the other side. Let me go check. And I also do need mascara, but look at the price of that, $13.97. So how much is it at Sephora then if it's $13.97 here? You guys, I don't come to this Walmart that often, so I literally bust the corner and saw so much more makeup. I'm excited. I thought that's all I had to work with. But I found lipstick, I think. No, a lot of these shelves are missing lipstick. That's crazy. But a lot more is here than the other side. So I mean, oh, there's more lipstick over here. So they have, usually these are the ones that I buy. These Revlon ones. And they have these for $10.97. I'll always be changing the type of lipstick and lip gloss or liners that I want, but let me show you guys what they have here. So you can see the lipstick is pretty scanty. I don't know how it's like at your Walmart, but at mine, lipstick is a thing. Okay, so I usually like the darker colors sometimes. I don't really like creamy lipsticks. Or they have the moisturizing formula here, and this is hydrating one. They have some more foundation here with a wide range, but these ones are a little bit more pricier. These are $18.97, which is still good compared to what I would normally spend at Sephora, but then again, I'll more get my same foundation. It's just one of those things that I don't know, I have to think about it, like if I'm willing to try, only because my skin is so hard to deal with. You guys, I love lip gloss. If it's one thing I'll always buy is lip gloss, and they have this one here for $10.97. This Revlon. So I've used this before. This is a makeup primer. It has a bit of a glow to it. Is this the glow one? Oh, I've used this brand, and the one I used, I believe it was this one. It was like a brightening glow underneath, and this is $18.97. So they have these 2-in-1 brow pencils where you have the brush on the end, which I find super convenient, especially if you want to travel and you don't want too many things in your makeup bag. Something like this is good, and these are $10.97. Oh, I found e.l.f. guys. I used to buy e.l.f. a lot because it was super affordable, and some of the things I really liked. So this section is pretty scanty too. Walmart is doing big with the makeup. Like, it's a thing over here. I don't really buy makeup all the time, so I didn't know that would be this scanty. But what I would normally buy would be the brushes and stuff. I found them to be alright. I'm a bit more picky these days because I realize, you know, if I spend a little more and get a better brush, it just applies way better. But simple things like even the eye ones, I believe they work good. I like a little bit more of a lighter brush anyways. I just feel like it just helps me with my makeup application. You could even get a brush set for as low as $17.97 here, and they have different brush sets. This one's a little bit more pricey at $19.97. They also got some cute beauty blenders. I'm really liking this one. Ooh, look at these blushes. These are $11.97. This one's a bit broken, but they have some nice blushes here. I don't know if this one is gone. It looks like it would have been a nice color. And they have some more mini palettes here. I like this one. This little purple here. I like these ranges of purple. I feel like I can put these on the outer corner a lot, like these darker colors, and just blend it a little bit better than I would the lighter colors, only because I'm not that good at it. They also have some blushes here. These are by Marcel. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Okay guys, so enough with the makeup. I'm super tempted to go check out the Hygiene aisle. I don't know. I just feel like I'm so into my skincare these days. I'd rather, you know, perfect that first so I can wear less makeup, because I hate when it's melting off my face and just reacting to my face, and just, you know, it just gets very greasy throughout the day. I don't know, I'm still trying to figure out my skincare for my face before I put so much into my makeup, you know? I don't know if that makes sense. I hope it makes sense. But yeah, let's check out some of these Hygiene products. I see rollbacks already, so I'm very excited. Guys, what is this? What is this green one? What? Where have I been? And it looks so pretty here with all these colors, because I love this one too. This one's my favorite, but what is this? What is this? And they're $8.97. So I see a rollback. These are $2.97. I notice I see a rollback on these ones a lot. Here you go, Nivea. We need you. They also have a rollback on the Aveeno right now. It's $8.97. We got some more rollbacks up here on Aveeno. This is Tone Texture Body Wash. Never tried this yet, but I really want to get this today. I need to see what I got of this. So there are a few rollbacks, but they also have this Ivory soap for $4.47. And they also got some men products down here for $3.97. A lot of the Old Spice and the Axe, but I think it's the Old Spice that has a few rollbacks right now. And these look pretty big. These are a good size for $7.97. So you got some Aussie on sale for, not four, this is $3.46. I buy Aussie all the time for my hair, guys. It's one of the more affordable brands that actually work very good, and it's already affordable already. The one I usually buy is the avocado one, and look, it's on sale, $3.48. I don't know if both, I think it's probably just the conditioner. I don't know, it looks like it'd be both, but these signs get so confusing. But it's on sale right now, and other than it being on sale, it's usually like $4.47 anyway, so it's not that pricey. Okay guys, you probably don't want to even see off this angle, but so much is happening around me. It's like I picked the worst time of the day to come and film today, but that's just what it is. They have a lot of rollbacks right now on like hair products, I noticed, and I wasn't even gonna come in this aisle, but this Pantene conditioner hair renewal is rollback to $7.97 right now, and it was $9.97. I just think they're so pretty too, like the bottle and everything. Like, look at the scalp rinse. This is $8.97. I love that it's affordable as well as aesthetically nice and pleasing and all that. They have Pantene here on sale as well on rollback for $4.46, and it's the Curl and Shine. These are $4.46 and they were $5.97. I know it's not a lot, but it could be adding up, you know. A lot of the sale items are actually gone. Like the shelf is clear, and I'm not surprised. They also got some Dove on sale here for $4.47. I feel like I haven't bought Dove in so long because I've been like exploring many other products that work well for me. But yeah, it's refreshing to be here in the Dove section. They also have this pomegranate one here, $4.47. That's actually really good. So you're telling me only the pomegranate is on sale. Oh, the avocado one's on sale too. I was about to say, why not avocado? but it might just only be the shampoo. So the shampoo's on sale for $4.47, but the conditioner is still $5.97. At least you're saving on like half of it, I guess. Why not throw in some savings there? But yeah guys, I'm about to head to the produce aisle. I want to look for some like watermelon and some type of fruit to bring back home. My mom's over there right now. I told her to meet me over there because I hate when I'm at home and I don't have, you know, my fruits in the night, because I'm trying to snack but stack healthy. But I'm about to head over to produce. That's about it for my haul. I'm gonna grab this as well as some concealer that my mom probably has in the cart over there. Wasn't really grabbing much today because I just wanted to come out and see like my makeup options before I go into Sephora and just spend all my money. But yeah, as we both seen, that even if I want to buy Walmart makeup, I better hurry up because the shelf is getting empty. But yes, I'm just gonna go grab my stuff, like I said, a few grocery things. You know, at least I'm gonna try this today. Super excited about that. It smells really good. I love this brand. Like, I love all three of them. So I love the fact that it's like a scrub and a wash exfoliant. It's not too harsh on your skin. But my mom took the buggy before I was able to put this in there. That's why I just have this, and it's looking like I'm having such a very scanty trip. But my mom took my buggy. She didn't want to go grab another one. But yeah, until next time guys, I love you guys. Catch you in the next one. Bye.